You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this island in the Mediterranean. It's a Spanish island. So there are different pronunciations. The locals say it as Ibiza, with the Z pronounced like an S, but in Castilian Spanish, the Spanish from central Spain, it is pronounced, the Z or the Z is pronounced like TH, so they say it as Ibiza. If you go to central Spain, Madrid, Toledo, Valladolid, sort of areas, they're going to say Ibiza, with the Z pronounced like TH, Ibiza. But in most other Spanish-speaking regions or countries, they say Ibiza, and including on the island itself, Ibiza. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.